In this video, we're going to go over how to add a new apprenticeship or pre-apprenticeship to an organization. So we're going to go ahead and click the Business Engagement Tools tab. We're going to click on the Organization Information tab. We're going to filter by grantee, and then we are going to search for the organization that we're going to add the pre-apprenticeship or apprenticeship to. So I'm going to go ahead and search for Rural King, and I'm going to click on the organization name. This is going to open up the organization information, and I'm going to scroll down to the apprenticeship section. So any apprenticeship or pre-apprenticeship that you've added to this organization will display here. We're going to go ahead and add a new one. So go ahead and click Add Apprenticeship. There are a couple of features on this modal before we get started that I'd like to point out. Up at the top, it says that there are new or expanded definitions. You're going to click the plus sign to open that section for that information. And then to close that, go ahead and click the minus sign. There are info bubbles that will help to better explain what that field is. So I just wanted to make you aware of those. So to get started, we can see that we have a red asterisk next to the sponsor Rapids ID. For this demonstration, I'm going to enter in a sponsor ID. It may be different from what you put in, and that's okay because I am just putting in one for this demonstration. So now I've put in my sponsor Rapids ID. Next, it's going to ask for the training provider Rapids ID. For this demonstration, I do not have that number. Next, it asks for the employer Rapids ID. More than one ID can be entered here. If it is a sector partnership or employer collaborative, so you can just click the Add button and you can add those there. Next, it's going to ask what type of apprenticeship are we wanting to add. So we're going to click the drop down and we have options for new program, expanded, added new industry, expanded, added new occupation, expanded, added new employer, expanded, used funds to add apprenticeships, expanded pre-apprenticeship or new pre-apprenticeship. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and select expanded, added new occupation. Then it's going to ask, are the apprentices in this program being uploaded as either case managed or OII? I'm going to go ahead and select case managed. It's going to ask, is this program on the eligible training provider list? You'll want to click the list here to search the ETPL list, or you can click the submit a request to add the program. For this demonstration, I'm going to go ahead and click no, and then click the save button. I can see I get the green save successfully message at the top. And then when I refresh the modal, I'm going to scroll back down and I can see that my apprenticeship has been added. And I can choose to view it or I can choose to remove it. So this is the section on an organization where a new pre-apprenticeship or apprenticeship can be added.